It's tea time. I'm going to make a cake with orange juice and yogurt. Wondering how that combination works? Let's go for it without eggs. Do remember to preheat your oven at 180 degrees and prepare a baking pan. Let's begin by placing caster sugar, some orange zest, and we're going to blend it at 10 seconds speed 10. Now this is to bring out the orange zest flavor into our cake. Wow, look at that. Oh, the fragrance is so wonderful. Now I'm putting some plain flour, mix it well. Then I'm adding my tapioca flour and milk, some oil, yogurt, and orange juice. I have my baking powder and fruit salts added too. Cover the lid and we'll have a quick blend of 30 seconds speed 5. Batter is well mixed. It's ready to be placed in a baking pan. Remember to tap it to remove excess air pockets that is built in. Bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. Look at that. The cake is ready and we just have to glaze it with a little bit of icing sugar. Look at the texture. Wow. It's really a piece of art. It tastes so good. I'll have it every day.